It finally feels like fall, and to showcase the autumn beauty in Luzerne County, Heller Orchards hosted its 35th Apple Festival this weekend. Crowds packed the family farm in Wapwallopen, many leaving with a basket of homegrown apples, a crop that had some challenges for the Heller family this year. In May, the Hellers and many other farmers spent sleepless nights protecting the plants against unexpected freezing temperatures. Despite their farm taking a hit late in the growing season, there were plenty of apples to go around at this year's festival.
At this stage of the game, we still have more apples to pick. Majority are picked now. We do have some apples that pick early November, but I think we'll be okay.
Many of the vendors used their triumphant apples for food and activities at the farm in Luzerne County.